Assurance wireless login problems often involve password resets. To reset your password, click Forgot Password on the app or website, then enter your phone number or account email. You'll receive a reset link valid for 24 hours. For OTP problems, ensure your phone number is correct and you have a stable network connection. If OTPs are delayed, use the app's offline OTP generator if available. Remember that as of 2025, Assurance Wireless requires OTP for all logins for security. If locked out after multiple failed login attempts, contact Assurance Wireless support with proof of identity, like an ID scan via the app. Enable app notifications for alerts and avoid using shared devices for better security. Always use strong passwords with 8+ characters and symbols. If you're still having problems, call Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-898-4888. For rural users facing SIM swap issues, submitting a notarized affidavit may be required for account recovery.